Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Firebase Firestore offline persistence easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Firebase Firestore offline persistence, start by setting up your Firebase project. Open your preferred code editor. Ensure you have Firebase installed in your project. If not, install Firebase via npm or included in your HTML file. Import Firebase and the Firestore module in your JavaScript file. Next, initialize your Firebase app with your project configuration. Access the Firestore database by calling firebase.firestore. To enable offline persistence, use the method firebase.firestore.enable persistence. This method returns a promise. You can handle success and error scenarios using .then and .catch. In the success callback, log a message indicating offline persistence is enabled. In the error callback, handle any possible errors, such as when persistence is not available in the browser. Once offline persistence is enabled, Firestore will cache data locally. This allows your app to function smoothly, even without an internet connection. Remember that you can still update the Firestore database while offline. Changes will automatically sync once the connection is restored. Test your implementation by going offline and checking data access. Make sure to verify the data is available even when disconnected from the internet. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled Firebase Firestore offline persistence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.